Hey friends, if you encounter this message, give us a minute. We are updating app on Windows. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution, the first approach should be to wait. Why? Because at times apps are being updated and a few apps are very heavy. But to be on the clearer side that it's actually happening, just update Windows. So people say that you should update apps to the Microsoft Store. I say when you update Windows, all Windows related apps will be updated on their own unless it's a specific third party app. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates. And the last one is clean boot. Now, why are we performing a clean boot? Because what if some other third party application is preventing the updating of that app? And this is especially true with the third party antivirus software products. So a clean boot will fix this problem. How would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Now go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.